You've been lied to. They profit from your dependency, keeping you searching, spending, and never quite reaching true health. But what if the secret to healing, the real power, was always within reach, hiding in plain sight? What if Big Pharma doesn't want you healing yourself for this cheap? It's time to unlock the truth. Get ready, because we're about to reveal 9 reasons why turmeric might just be the most underrated medicine on earth. Let's dive into unlocking turmeric's power. The 9 game changers. It's time to unlock the truth. Get ready, because we're about to reveal 9 reasons why turmeric might just be the most underrated medicine on earth. At the very core of turmeric's astonishing abilities lies curcumin. This isn't just another kitchen spice. It's a formidable warrior in the fight for your health. Think of it as nature's ingenious defense system, actively working to keep your body in balance. Ready to take action on your health? Hit that like button, subscribe Health Action Channel, and let's build a healthier you together. Let's talk about its most celebrated benefit. Curcumin is a master at turning down the heat on inflammation. Its primary mode of action involves directly blocking NF-κB, a key protein complex that acts like a molecular switch, constantly triggering inflammatory responses throughout your body. Why is this so crucial? Because chronic inflammation isn't just an annoying ache. It's a silent, insidious force undermining your well-being. It's not the acute, short-term inflammation that helps you heal from an injury. Instead, this persistent, low-grade inflammation acts as a root cause or a significant contributor to a surprising array of serious health issues. We're talking about conditions like heart disease. Chronic inflammation can damage blood vessels, leading to plaque buildup and hardening of the arteries. Depression. Emerging research strongly links persistent inflammation in the brain to mood disorders. Even cancer. Chronic inflammation can create an environment in the body that promotes cell damage and uncontrolled growth. A natural compound that can intervene in this fundamental process, effectively hitting the brakes on this widespread cellular stress. That's the power of curcumin. It's a natural way to fight back against one of the biggest threats to your long-term health, helping your body maintain a state of calm and balance. Boosts brain function. Your brain isn't just a simple organ, it's a supercomputer, constantly processing, learning, and adapting. And curcumin, the star compound in turmeric, actually helps it run better, smarter, and stronger. Curcumin actively boosts something critically important called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Think of BDNF as Miracle-Gro for your brain cells. It's essentially a growth hormone for your neurons, supporting the survival of existing brain cells and encouraging the growth of new ones. More, BDNF means a sharper memory, improved learning capabilities, and a laser-like focus that helps you stay on top of your game. Studies even suggest higher BDNF levels offer crucial protection against dreaded neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's. And here's the truly remarkable part. Curcumin is one of the very few compounds that can actually cross the blood-brain barrier. This isn't an easy feat. This barrier is a tightly regulated filter designed to protect your brain from harmful substances. The fact that curcumin can navigate this defense means it gets right to where it's needed most, directly impacting your brain's health and function. So, when you incorporate turmeric into your routine, you're not just adding a spice. You're fueling your brain, helping it build new connections, protect itself, and perform at its best. Now, let's talk about one of the most exciting, and perhaps most impactful, areas of curcumin research, its potential role in fighting cancer. While it's crucial to understand that curcumin isn't a magic cure-all and isn't a replacement for conventional cancer treatments, early research is showing incredible promise. The scientific community is buzzing with studies exploring how curcumin might act as a potent preventive compound, working at a cellular level to combat this complex disease. Here's a closer look at what the research suggests. Curcumin has been observed to interfere with various molecular pathways involved in cancer development, potentially slowing down or even preventing the growth of tumors. It's like putting a brake on runaway cell proliferation. Our bodies have a natural process called apoptosis, or programmed cell death, which gets rid of unhealthy or damaged cells. Cancer cells often bypass this crucial process. Curcumin appears to help restore this natural mechanism, encouraging these rogue cells to essentially self-destruct. Tumors need a blood supply to grow and spread. This process is called angiogenesis. Research indicates that curcumin may help inhibit angiogenesis, effectively cutting off the nutritional supply lines that cancer cells need to thrive. Without this fuel, their growth can be significantly hampered. These are powerful, proactive ways that curcumin might contribute to cancer prevention. It truly is a potent compound that deserves serious attention in the ongoing fight against this disease, offering a natural avenue for cellular protection and support. Improves mood and mental health. Feeling like you're caught in a mental fog or just generally down? Turmeric might actually be a natural pick-me-up for your mood and mental well-being. This isn't just a folk remedy. Scientific research is starting to back this up. A 2014 study found something truly remarkable. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, was shown to be as effective as a common prescription antidepressant, Prozac, in helping to treat depression. This is pretty significant. So how does it work? Curcumin seems to interact with your brain in a few key ways. Boosting feel-good chemicals. It helps to increase the levels of your brain's natural feel-good chemicals, like serotonin and dopamine. These neurotransmitters play a huge role in regulating your mood, sense of pleasure, and overall mental balance. Calming brain inflammation. Remember how we talked about chronic inflammation affecting your body? Well, it can also affect your brain, leading to what's called neuroinflammation. Curcumin helps to calm this inflammation, which is increasingly linked to mood disorders. By reducing this internal stress in the brain, it can contribute to a more stable and positive mental state. This isn't about ditching conventional medicine, but it highlights how evidence-based plant medicine, like turmeric, can offer real, tangible benefits for your mental health. It's a natural way to support your brain's chemistry and reduce inflammation, helping you feel more balanced and uplifted. Supports gut health. It's often said that the gut is your second brain, and for good reason. A healthy gut is truly the foundation of a healthy life, influencing everything from your immune system to your mood and energy levels. And when it comes to gut wellness, curcumin stands out as a genuine healer. Here's how this remarkable compound goes to work for your digestive system. Curcumin acts like a soothing balm for your digestive tract. It actively helps to repair the delicate gut lining, which can often become compromised due to diet, stress, or other factors. When this lining is strong and intact, it prevents unwanted substances from leaking into your bloodstream, which is essentially what leaky gut refers to. Simultaneously, curcumin significantly reduces inflammation in your intestines. This anti-inflammatory action is crucial because chronic gut inflammation is at the root of many uncomfortable and challenging digestive conditions. Because of these powerful effects, curcumin has been extensively studied and used to help manage tough conditions like IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. By calming inflammation and supporting gut integrity, it can help alleviate common IBS symptoms like discomfort, bloating, and irregular bowel movements. Leaky gut syndrome. As mentioned, it directly addresses the compromised gut barrier, helping to seal and strengthen it. Ulcerative colitis. As an inflammatory bowel disease, you see benefits from curcumin's ability to reduce inflammation in the colon. it's not just your digestion that improves. This balance cascades throughout your entire body. You'll likely experience better immunity, as a significant portion of your immune system resides in your gut. You might also notice a brighter mood, thanks to the gut-brain connection and the production of neurotransmitters there, and a more consistent energy supply because your body is better able to absorb nutrients and function optimally. So, supporting your gut health with curcumin is a holistic approach that benefits your entire system, protects the heart. Your heart works tirelessly for you, and turmeric offers it incredible support. Curcumin dramatically improves endothelial function. That's the fancy name for the lining of your arteries. Better function here means a reduction in blood pressure, less plaque buildup, and a significantly lower risk of heart attacks. In fact, a 2012 study even suggested that curcumin could rival exercise when it comes to vascular health. That's how powerful it is. Relieves joint pain. If you suffer from stiff or aching joints, listen up. Curcumin works by blocking COX-2 enzymes, the very same ones targeted by popular pain relievers like ibuprofen. The best part? It does this without the nasty side effects. It's fantastic for arthritis, speeding up sports recovery, and tackling long-term inflammation throughout your body. Fights oxidative stress. Think of oxidative stress as rust forming inside your body, accelerating aging and cellular damage. Curcumin is a mighty antioxidant. It actively neutralizes those harmful free radicals and even boosts your body's own natural antioxidant systems. The result? Slower aging, less cellular damage, and enhanced detox support. Now, here's the crucial part. Most people don't experience the full benefits of turmeric because of poor absorption. Your body just can't soak up enough of that amazing curcumin on its own. But there's a simple fix. You need to combine it with curcumin plus black pepper piperine. This is the game changer. Piperine, a compound found in black pepper, boosts curcumin absorption by a staggering 2,000%, or a liposomal/phytosome form. These are advanced formulations that use fats to greatly enhance absorption. Without these crucial partners, you're missing out on nearly all of turmeric's potential. Remember, curcumin isn't a miracle pill that fixes everything overnight, but it is backed by over 20,000 studies and has been a cornerstone of healing for 3,000 years. Use it consistently. Combine it with smart lifestyle changes. Let food and roots be your medicine.